Ever wondered how to create your own personal dictionary using Python? Well, wonder no more. Today we're diving into the world of coding to make this a reality. First, ensure you have the Natural Language Toolkit or NLTK installed. This is a leading platform for building Python programs to work with human language data. If you don't have it, simply use the command pip install NLTK to do so. Next, we import NLTK, and from nltk.corpus, we import WordNet. WordNet is a large word database of English nouns, adjectives, adverbs, and verbs. These are grouped into sets of synonyms, each expressing a distinct concept. Now we need to download WordNet using nltk.download. Once downloaded, remember to comment out the download line to avoid re-downloading each time you run your program. Output. We then print out a welcoming statement, "Welcome to Personal Dictionary," to give our program a friendly feel. We set the variable choice to y, preparing for a loop that will continue as long as the user wants to look up more words. Within our while loop, we prompt the user to enter a word. This word is then passed to the WordNet synsets function, which returns all synsets for the word. We create an empty list, definitions, and for each synset, we append its definition to our list. This will give us all the definitions associated with the word. Next, we create a set called synonyms. A set, unlike a list, only allows unique elements. We use a for loop to iterate through each synset, and for each lemma in the synset, we update our synonyms set with the lemma's name. This gives us all the synonyms of the word. We do a similar process for antonyms, creating an empty set and filling it with the names of all antonyms for our word. Then, if synsets exist for our word, we print out the definitions, synonyms, and antonyms. If there are no synsets, synonyms, or antonyms, we inform the user accordingly. Finally, we ask the user if they want to continue. If they input ye, the loop continues. If not, the loop breaks and we thank them for using our service. So, there you have it, your very own personal dictionary. All thanks to the power of Python and the NLTK library. Quite the adventure, wouldn't you say? Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep coding.